So friends, do you want to make your Instagram account more stylish? So what do you think? How can we make it stylish? We will change the font of Instagram's bio. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. So let's begin. So friends, first we have to go to Instagram. Then we need to go to our Instagram profile. So friends, you can see some text above. Number 1. Daily and follow. We need to copy the text from the beginning to the end. Then we have to go to New tab and search Instagram font name. So guys, we can see many links here. You can select any, all of the same process. So I will choose Igfonts website from now on. Then friends, you will see many options here. And below are many texts. So we can see an option to write text above there. We will paste our text. After doing the book for some time, we can see many text fonts here. And let me tell you one thing, here only the fonts in the text will be changed. The emoji will not be changed. Then we have to select a text and go to our Instagram account. Then we can see an option called Edit Profile above. Then we will click there. Then we can see website bio and gender options here. From here we have to click on our bio and paste that text. So, friends, this is how we can change the font of our Instagram account bio. If you still don't understand, then comment. And let me tell you again that here you can only change the font of the text, but you can't make the emoji stylish. But you can also change the font of the text from other websites. Bye.